Business English Success Strategies. Do you want to improve your business English vocabulary? Welcome to your trusted guide to mastering the language of the corporate world. Today we're going to focus on 15 everyday business English verbs that are critical for professional discussions around operations, decision-making, management, and strategic planning. Each verb will be presented with a definition and an example sentence to help you understand its application in a business context. A robust business English vocabulary can open doors to global opportunities, enhance your professional credibility, and empower you to communicate your ideas more effectively. So, whether you're preparing for a business meeting, drafting an email, or keen on polishing your language skills, these verbs will serve as valuable additions to your vocabulary. So, get ready to expand your linguistic toolkit. Prepare your note-taking tools as we dive into these essential business English verbs. Let's start with the first 5 verbs. Our first verb is analyze. To analyze means to examine in detail to understand better or draw conclusions. For instance, a business might say, "We need to analyze the monthly sales data to improve our marketing strategies." Moving on, we have the verb implement. Implement means to put into effect according to a definite plan or procedure. An example of this in a business context could be, "The team is ready to implement the new software across all departments next week." Next up is maximize. To maximize is to increase to the greatest possible amount or degree. In the business world, you might hear, "We are working hard to maximize our profits this quarter." The fourth verb is negotiate. Negotiate means to discuss something formally to reach an agreement. For instance, a company might say, "Our sales director will negotiate the contract terms with the new client." Lastly, for this segment, we have achieve. Achieve means to reach a desired objective or result through effort. A business might set a goal to achieve a 20% market share by the end of the year. There you have it, the first 5 verbs. Analyze, implement, maximize, negotiate, and achieve. Each of these verbs is essential in various business contexts and can be used to convey actions, strategies, and goals effectively. Now that we've covered the first 5 verbs, let's move on to the next batch. Ready for the next 5 verbs? Let's start with launch. Launch means to start or introduce something new, such as a product or initiative. For instance, we plan to launch our new line of eco-friendly products in March. Next up is manage. To manage is to control or oversee the operation or administration of something. An example could be, she manages a team of 10 people in the marketing department. Moving on, we have enhance. To enhance means to improve the quality, amount, or strength of something. An example might be, we need to enhance our customer service to increase customer satisfaction. We're on the home stretch. Here are the last 5 verbs. First up, evaluate. To evaluate is to assess or appraise the value, importance, or quality of something. In business, we often evaluate our performance, strategies, or even employees. For instance, you might hear, "At the end of each project, we evaluate our processes to identify any needed improvements." Next, we have expand. To expand means to increase the size, number, or importance of something. Businesses often aim to expand their operations, markets, or product lines. For example, the company is planning to expand into the Asian market next year. Our third verb for this segment is motivate. To motivate is to provide reasons for a person to act in a certain way. Leaders in a company often need to motivate their teams to reach targets or to embrace changes. Here's a sentence. A good bonus scheme can motivate employees to exceed their targets. Moving on, resolve. To resolve means to find a solution to a problem or dispute. In a business context, issues arise all the time, and it's crucial to resolve them swiftly and efficiently. For example, the manager quickly resolved the issue between the 2 team members. And finally, we come to streamline. To streamline is to make an organization or system more efficient and effective by employing faster or simpler working methods. Businesses constantly strive to streamline their processes to save time and resources. Here's how you might use it. We streamline the process to reduce waste and save time. Congratulations, you've learned all 15 verbs. Let's round up what we have covered. Let's revisit the verbs we've learned today. We started with analyze, implement, and maximize, which are key verbs for any professional seeking to understand, execute, and enhance business operations. Then we moved on to negotiate and achieve, important for making agreements and hitting targets. Next, we covered launch, manage, and enhance, all of which are crucial for introducing new initiatives, overseeing tasks, and improving quality. Generate and coordinate followed. helping us to create results and organize effectively. Finally, we delved into evaluate, expand, and motivate, which are vital for assessing performance, growing business, and inspiring action. Resolve and streamline wrapped up our list, reminding us of the importance of finding solutions and increasing efficiency. These 15 verbs are integral to business English and can significantly boost your professional communication skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these verbs in your everyday business conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our content.